YouTubers and Facebook friends, this is Crystal Gibson coming at you with another CVS haul. I have 6 transactions, but I will not be separating these into the transactions that I had purchased just because there's too much detail and I only have so much memory on my phone. So let's get started. The Sparkle, everybody knows that it is $4.44. You use the $1 off coupon that you could get on their site, or I think it was available on coupons.com, but I don't think so anymore. But there is a 75% off coupon in this week's P&G. Okay, so for me it made it $3.44. And then the Arrowhead, I used a $1 off of a 24 pack from 2 Red Plum weeks ago. 2 weeks ago in the Red Plum. Okay, so plus you have to pay $1.60 CRV. With the 3 12 packs of sodas on sale this week, they're 3 for $11. You get 3 ECBs back. That was a great deal. So for these breads, they're usually 2 for $5, but I don't think I got the 2 for $5 because my receipt says $2.79 each, which is not bad. But I did not have any coupons for them. But I had used some ECBs. Okay, so the Cheerios, I do not bring my coupon for the Lucky Charms or the Honey Nut Cheerios, but there is $1.50 off 3 boxes, I believe. They are $1.99 at CVS this week. I might be going back if they get any more shipment in. Some lady just wiped out the whole store the other day, so I'm just out of luck this week, I guess. But the Tropicana was no, sale or anything. I just wanted it. It was $4.79. I used some ECBs to pay for it. Now, these Real Melodies Quaker oatmeal cups, these are really, really awesome, and they're only 290 calories per cup. Especially if you're not on a diet, they're really good and filling in the mornings when you're on your way to work or school. So they are back to 2 for $4 this week, but I had a rain check, so I got 2 of them for $1.69 each. I just used my ECBs because I had no coupons. Okay, I had no coupons for these just basic lemonades. I had gotten 2 of them because they're on sale right now for 2 for $3, which is not bad. It's better than Big Lots. So the ice cream, I had got 4 of them at $3.49 each. I believe this week is on sale for the dryers, but I did not have the coupons with me. I did not print them off. I forgot to print them out. But there is a coupon out there on coupons.com, I think it is on that site, where you get $1.50 off of 2. That would have been a better deal for me, but I did not, so I just used ECBs. Okay, so however, I did have coupons for these. They have all different flavors there. They're on sale for 2 for $4 this week. I had used $1.50 off of 2 from the Smart Source coupon site. That's where I got it. Okay, so I was able to use 3 of those $1.50 offs. Plus I used ECBs. And the overage from these Head & Shoulders took care of most of this transaction, especially with the Cars toy. The Cars toy I was able to use the $4 off manufacturer coupon from Walmart.com. So hopefully you guys are able to do that at your store. It says $4 off the 2-pack, but they went ahead and just did it anyway. So that was great for me, and plus it's my son's birthday. So anyway, the Head & Shoulders are on sale for $4.99. In this week's P&G, there was $6.99 off, automatically deducts it on the BOGO coupon. So I was also able to use $2 off of this one and $2 off of this one manufacturer from the P&G. So that gave me a little bit of overage. For the Dial, it is on sale 2 for $7. I had used 2 off manufacturer coupons from the Red Plum this week, and plus I believe you get 2 ECBs back for them. 2 for $7, get 2 ECB back. Okay, so for the Revlon nail art and the Revlon just regular nail polish, as you guys already know, there's a really good deal going on. Oh, I am so sorry. If you had, I'm not redoing this video, sorry, but if you had the coupon for the $2 off each one, and plus the $3 CVS coupon printing out from the Magic Coupon Machine, it made it a moneymaker because you get 1 cent back and 1 cent overage or whatever, and then you get 3 ECBs back for each one. You could do this 6 times off of each card, so that's a really good deal. So let me just go straight to the receipts. I want to show that I paid with a money card. That's my out-of-pocket is the money card. Money card, ice cream. Money card, Sara Lee. Money card, Sparkle. Money card, Dial, Revlon. And the money card for the Sunkist and the A&W Root Beer. The sodas. Okay, so here is my ECBs back. The 3 was for the 7-Up, Canada Dry, blah, blah, blah. The $6 was off the Revlon, because I bought 2. And the $2 off is for the Dial. Okay, so here is the breakdown. Each transaction, this is how much it was before coupons. This was after coupons. This is it was $99.10 worth before Q's, and it was $21.80.